Hey Scott, don't you love steaks? You're such a sweet tooth.
Get ready for Cloudy with a chance of meatballs. Yes, in Mouse Wolverine 3D.